Hi gang, welcome back. In this video, we're going to hide unnecessary columns and rows in Google Sheets. Let's say we have this donation spreadsheet. Right now, I only care about two columns, the first name of the donor and their gift amount. I don't need the rest of this stuff. So I'm going to start by hiding this company column by highlighting it, right-clicking, and selecting Hide Column. Company information is now hidden. I only hid a single column this time, but I can hide multiple columns at once by selecting them all and following the same exact steps. There you go. All my unnecessary columns are hidden. Notice these little arrow brackets that appear in between my visible columns. This tells me that columns between A and E and I are currently collapsed. To expand the columns and view what's hidden, just click these little arrows. Now all my columns are visible again. And don't forget, you can do the same thing with your rows. Just select the row, right-click, and hide. And then to expand your rows again, just click the arrows in between your visible rows. And there you have it. That's how you hide the stuff you don't need in Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for even more tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel.